Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up paper trading on Robinhood. Open the app, tap your account icon, enable practice investing or paper trading, and create a virtual portfolio to start placing simulated trades right away. Use small position sizes, test strategies, and review trade history to learn patterns. Focus on order types like market and limit, track fees and performance, and treat simulations seriously to build real skills. Start by selecting a few stocks or ETFs that match your learning goals, then place simulated orders using market and limit types to see execution differences. Practice entry and exit rules, stop-loss placement, and position sizing to manage risk like real trading. Keep a simple trade journal with entry, exit, rationale, and emotional notes to identify strengths and areas to improve over time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for learning on the go with a glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect for reading market news and strategy books anywhere. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it fits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Treat paper trading as a disciplined practice session, not gambling, and schedule regular reviews to analyze performance metrics and trade logs. Compare results to a benchmark and ask what worked, what failed, and why, then refine entries, exits, and risk per trade. Add one change at a time to isolate effects, and progressively simulate larger positions only after consistent positive outcomes and clear documentation of your process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.